Join me as I help Bree make a meatloaf. Whoa, what was that?
An onion.
An onion. Okay, we're making a meatloaf. Do you want me to put the meat in the bowl?
You said, you already asked me that, and I said yes.
God damn it.
What are you doing?
Do you want me to grease the meatloaf pan, Bree?
Yes, please.
What do you want me to grease it with?
The spray.
The spray.
Butter spray.
Okay. Oh, shit! I fucking sprayed on my phone. Okay, next it says, combine ground beef, onions, milk, bread, crumbs, and egg in a large bowl, season with salt and pepper, transfer it to a loaf pan.
Okay. Can you chop off the rest of the onion?
Chop off the rest of the onions. Got it. Okay, what's next? Oh, you poured all this stuff in. I didn't even get to do it. Egg.
No.
What?
Stop.
What?
I need to, like, scramble that.
Oh, I can scramble it. No, you go ahead and scramble it. Well, you're good at that. Look at how fast your hand moves. I want to put the stuff in it. Oh, and there goes the egg in there. That looks very yellow.
You know, or you just gonna stare at it?
I can't hold the camera and dump the onions at the same time. Damn it. Mustard and ketchup. Third a cup. Third a cup. Brown sugar, mustard, ketchup. All right, just don't yell at me. A third a cup of ketchup.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna wing it.
No, don't wing it.
Ah, well, that's just more shit. I get it. God, I can do that. Mustard, ketchup, brown sugar. I found an onion.
Throw it away. Why would you eat that and then spit it off?
I need to mix it up. That's the... You're blocking the camera view of your beautiful meatloaf. Looks beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. Will I be able to eat any of this?
You have a mouth.
What else? Oh, that's not for this. That's something else. Is it ready?
I think so.
You should put that in there. Oh.
Yes.
Ready? We made a meatloaf together. Did I help you?
Okay.